Welcome to our guide on how to change your Twitter handle on X, Twitter, on PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Begin by clicking on your profile icon to access the drop-down menu and select Settings and Privacy. Step 2. From the options available, choose Account Information to proceed with updating your account details. Step 3. Select the Username tab within the Account Information settings to specifically change your username. Step 4. Enter your desired new username in the provided text box. If the username is unavailable, Twitter will suggest alternatives for you to choose from. Once you've found an available username, a green checkmark will indicate its availability. Step 5. To confirm the changes, click on Save, located at the bottom of the screen to update your Twitter handle successfully. By following these steps, you can easily change your Twitter handle on X Twitter using your PC, ensuring your account reflects the username you prefer. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to change your Twitter handle on X, Twitter, on PC. Enjoy personalizing your account and updating your online identity by modifying your Twitter handle to better suit your preferences and identity.